Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled error support code SS06. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to access your Snapchat account, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings in your device, and from here scroll it below and tap on general. Again scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, and now go to your Snapchat, and from here you have to simply offload your Snapchat app for one time, and after this you have to simply download and install the latest version of Snapchat. So guys, do this and again tap on general, scroll it below, tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then tap on language and region and tap on region and set your region, and after this go back and now tap on transfer or reset iPhone and reset your network connection from here. So guys, here you can see this. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for Snapchat support. So guys, here it is, and now tap on Snapchat support website, and from here you have to wait for some seconds, and now scroll it below and tap on I cannot access my account, and from here scroll it below and tap on my account is compromised, and tap on contact support here, and from here tap on I think my account was compromised, and from here scroll it below and give here your username of Snapchat and enter your email address that is associated with your Snapchat account, and give here your active mobile number, and in this box you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way. So guys, simply explain your problem in a brief way from here, and after this submit this report or request to the Snapchat team. So guys, they will review your issue and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your account will be activated. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.